Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudhir Dawra, Faculty of Department of MCA from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of network topology. Network topology is a systematic description of a network arrangements connecting various nodes through lines of connection. Now we are discussing the topologies. First topology is bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to single cable. When it has exactly two endpoints, then it is called linear bus topology. Now you can see the diagram of this bus topology. Now we are discussing the features of bus topology. First point is it transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. Now we are discussing the advantages of bus topology. It is cost effective. Cable required is least compared to other network topology. It is used in small networks. It is easy to understand. It is easy to expand, joining two cables together. Now we are discussing disadvantages of bus topology. First point is cables fails, then whole network fails. Second is if network traffic is heavy or nodes are more, then the performance of the network decreases. Third point is cable has a limited length. It is slower than the ring topology. Second one is your ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer with the last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors for each device. Now you can see the diagram of ring topology. Now we are discussing the features of ring topology. First one is a number of repeaters are used for ring topology with large number of nodes, because if someone wants to send some data to the last node in the ring topology with 100 nodes, then the data will have to pass through 99 nodes to reach the 100th node. Hence, to prevent data loss, repeaters are used in the network. Second point is the transmission is unidirectional, but it can be made bidirectional by having two connections between each network node. It is called dual ring topology. The third advantage or feature we can say is in dual ring topology, two ring networks are formed and data flow is in opposite direction in them. Also, if one ring fails, the second ring can act as a backup to keep the network up. The fourth point is data is transferred in a sequential manner, that is bit by bit. Data transmitted has to pass through each node of the network till the destination node. Now we are discussing the advantages of ring topology. First one is transmitting network is not affected by high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes having tokens can transmit data. Second advantage is cheap to install and expand. We can expand very easily. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of ring topology. First disadvantage of ring topology is troubleshooting is difficult in ring topology. Adding or deleting the computers disturbs the network activity. And the third disadvantage of ring topology is failures of one computer disturbs the whole network. The next topology is star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. Now you can see the diagram of star topology. We are discussing the features of star topology. What are the features of star topology? Every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. This is the first feature of star topology. Second advantage, we can say hub acts as a repeater for data flow. Can be used with twisted pair, optical fiber or coaxial cable. Now we are discussing the advantages of star topology. Fast performance with few nodes and low network traffic. Second point is hub can be upgraded easily, easy to troubleshoot, easy to set up and modify. Only that node is affected which has failed. Rest of the nodes can work smoothly. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of star topology. First disadvantage of star topology is cost of installation is high as compared to other topologies. Second disadvantage is expensive to use. Next disadvantage of star topology is if the hub fails, then the whole network is stopped because all the nodes depends on the hub. Fourth disadvantage of star topology is performance is based on the hub, that depends on its capacity. The next topology we are discussing is mesh topology. It is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the network nodes are connected to each other. There are two techniques to transmit data over the mesh topology. They are, number one, that is routing. Second technique is flooding. Mesh topology, routing. In routing, the nodes have a routing logic as per the network requirements. Like network routing logic to direct the data to reach the destination using the shortest distance, or routing logic which has information about the broken links and it avoids those nodes, etc. We can even have routing logic to reconfigure the failed nodes. Second one is mesh topology, flooding. In flooding, the same data is transmitted to all the network nodes, hence no routing logic is required. The network is robust and it's very unlikely to lose the data, but it leads to unwanted load over the network. Now you can see the diagram of this mesh topology. We are discussing the types of mesh topology. Number one is partial mesh topology. In this topology, some of the systems are connected in the same fashion as mesh topology, but some devices are only connected to 2 or 3 devices. Second one is full mesh topology. Each and every nodes or devices are connected to each other. Now we are discussing features of mesh topology. First feature, the important feature we can say, that is the fully connected. Second feature of mesh topology is robust. Third feature of mesh topology is that is not flexible. After discussing the features of mesh topology, we are discussing advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology. Advantages of mesh topology. Number one advantage of mesh topology is each connection can carry its own data load. Second advantage, it is robust. Third advantage of mesh topology, fault is diagnosed easily. It provides security and privacy is the last advantage of mesh topology. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of mesh topology. In mesh topology, installation and configuration is difficult as compared to other topologies. Second disadvantage of mesh topology is cabling cost is more. Third disadvantage of mesh topology is bulk wiring is required in mesh topology. Next topology is tree topology. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy. Now you can see the diagram of this tree topology, how this tree topology is working. Features of tree topology. First one is ideal if workstations are located in groups. Second point is it is used in wide area networks. Now we will discuss the advantages as well as disadvantages of tree topology. Starting with the advantages, the first advantage of tree topology is extension of bus and star topologies. Second advantage of tree topology is expansion of nodes is possible and easy as compared to other topologies. Third advantage of tree topology is easily managed and maintained. And the last advantage of tree topology is error detection is easily done as compared to other topologies. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of tree topology. The disadvantages are, number one, heavily cabled. Second, it is very costly as compared to other topologies. Third one, if more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Maintenance is really very difficult when we want to add more nodes in the network. Fourth one is central hub fails, network fails. If the central hub fails, the whole network fails. It means we cannot transmit the message when the central hub fails. The next topology we are discussing is that is hybrid topology. It is 2 different types of topologies which is a mixture of 2 or more topologies. For example, if in an office in one department ring topology is used and in another star topology is used, connecting these topologies results in hybrid topology. Ring topology and star topology. Now you can see the diagram of hybrid topology. Hybrid topology looks. What are the features of hybrid topology? First one, it is a combination of 2 or more topologies. Second feature of hybrid topology is inherits the advantages and disadvantages of the topologies included. Now we are discussing the advantages of hybrid topology. Number one is reliable as error detecting and troubleshooting is easy. Second advantage of this topology is effective. Third advantage of this topology is scalable as size can be increased easily. We can increase the size of this topology very easily. The fourth And last advantage of this topology is it is very flexible. Now we are discussing the disadvantages of hybrid topology. It is complex in design and it is very costly as compared to other topologies. So I hope you like the lecture of network topologies. Thank you very much.